Welcome to Stop Caring, Start Posting. My name's Steve Calabrese. I'm a loan officer, and I have built my mortgage business through social media. And I'm going to show you how to grow your real estate business, develop a brand, and sell more houses using social media. Out of the last 100 leads in my CRM, 90 of them are people I've met through social media, people I've stayed in contact with through social media, or people that have been referred to me through social media. You know the potential with social media, with your real estate business, and you're just not doing it. Now you can go on YouTube and listen to Gary Vee videos and learn exactly what I'm going to tell you. But there's a reason why most people aren't posting, and it actually doesn't work for most people. I've broken down the formula into a simple step-by-step process that's taken my mortgage business from 1 or 2 loans every other month to $4 million of loans every month in a very short period of time. If I can figure this social media thing out in a market where I legitimately just moved down to 3 years ago, didn't know a soul, didn't know what a mortgage was, I had just gotten licensed, and I was able to figure it out in that short of amount of time, I can show you how to. There is zero reason for you to be watching this right now if you're unsure if this social media can grow your real estate business. You've heard of the people sitting in Fiji, working on their phone, making millions of dollars a year. You know this social media internet thing is real. It's not going away. But you don't think you can find people that want to buy a house? No. You know it's doable, you know it works, and you're just not doing it. Now I can show you all the tactics, all the tricks, all the Instagram hacks, but it comes down to you actually getting in front of the camera, getting vulnerable, and actually posting yourself. You're not posting not because you don't know how these social media platforms work, not because you don't know what to say. You're not posting because you're self-conscious about what people are gonna say about you once you say it. This is called Stop Caring, Start Posting for a reason. I'm gonna show you how to stop caring, start posting on social media, and sell 100 more houses next year. But this working is completely dependent upon you learning to stop caring what other people think of you, especially stop caring of what other people think of you on video. The first step is completely wiping your mindset on marketing and reprogramming your brain with a true understanding of marketing in 2021.